Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use while loop in LabVIEW. So while loop is your go-to structure for code that needs to repeat identifiedly until a specific condition, like a stop button or an error occurs. So how to place it? So let's go to the block diagram, which we are right uh, now in that. So if you are not, just hit Ctrl E and you will change to front panel or block diagram. Now right click to open the function plate, right click with the mouse, navigate to the program and structure. So programming and structure. So this is the first one right over here. And then the second one will be while loop. So click on it and place it something like that. Now we dragged a rectangle around the code we want to repeat. So we don't have nothing yet. So every while loop has two icons in the bottom corner. So we have this one here, iteration terminal. The blue counts how many times the loop has run starting at 0. Then we have conditional terminal. This determines when the loop stops. So stop if true, continue if true. So stop if true, the loop stops when a true boolean is sent to it, or continue if true, right click the terminal to change it. The loop runs as long as it receives a true signal. So right here you will see stop if true, continuous if true, or you can also add boolean pellet. So we can create however we want. All right. So let's go and do a small program to show you. So in previous video we talked about an arrays. So we can do that also here in the while loop. So perform an operation inside the loop, random number generator. So wire out, drag a wire from the data output to the border of the loop. So we will place here a random number. So let's go to the numeric. And I will numeric constant. I will put it right here and leave it as 0. It doesn't matter now. Uh, I have even better solution. So we have random number. So I will place this one right here. So as this will act as our live data source, every time this loop repeats, a new value is created. So now we will place a wait function and create a constant of 100. So let's go right here to the functions and timing, and we will find here waits. Okay. And then we can add this small control. So let's go with constant 100 like that. And put it together. Like that. This is our timer. Okay, so now I will wire this random number to the right hand border of the loop. Um, that was generated. We had. Okay, so what we are going to do now is right here where you see this orange box, we will right click it and then in tunnel mode we will change to indexing, and we go here again, right click, and then we will create indicator like that, and right here we need to loop conditions, so I will go and create control. This will add us a stop button if we want to stop the function. So now these things look something like that right here in the front panel, and we can start this. Uh, we can start now with this, and this is basically it, how you create an array in while loop. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next